Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 27th, 2026, and we're diving into Boeing's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Boeing's performance, especially given the significant developments in their latest report.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Boeing reported a revenue of $23.9 billion for the fourth quarter, a significant increase from the previous year. John, what drove this growth?
The revenue growth was primarily driven by an increase in commercial deliveries, totaling 160 for the quarter. Additionally, the sale of digital aviation solutions contributed a $9.6 billion gain, significantly boosting their earnings.
And how did this impact their profitability?
Boeing's net earnings for the quarter were $8.22 billion, with a GAAP EPS of $10.23 and a core EPS of $9.92. This reflects a remarkable turnaround from the losses reported in the previous year, underscoring their improved operational performance.
Cash flow and financial position. Moving on to cash flow, Boeing reported an operating cash flow of $1.3 billion. How does this position them financially?
This is a strong indicator of Boeing's financial health. The operating cash flow, coupled with a free cash flow of $0.4 billion, shows their ability to generate cash from operations. Their cash and investments increased to $29.4 billion, providing a solid liquidity buffer.
What about their debt levels?
Debt increased slightly to $54.1 billion, primarily due to the acquisition of Spirit AeroSystems. However, with access to $10 billion in undrawn credit facilities, Boeing is well positioned to manage its debt obligations.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Boeing's different segments fare this quarter?
The commercial airplane segment saw a significant boost with 160 deliveries, driving revenue to $11.4 billion. Defense, Space, and Security reported $7.4 billion in revenue, reflecting stabilizing operations. Notably, Global Services achieved an impressive operating margin of 202.4%, largely due to the digital aviation solutions transaction.
And what about their strategic initiatives?
Boeing's acquisition of Spirit AeroSystems underscores their commitment to enhancing production stability and quality. This move, along with the sale of parts of digital aviation solutions, aligns with their strategy to streamline operations and focus on core competencies.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of minus 40 cents for Boeing based on a survey of 8 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
Boeing significantly outperformed expectations with a core EPS of $9.92. This substantial beat is attributed to the gain from the digital aviation solutions sale and improved operational efficiencies across their segments.
What does this mean for investor sentiment?
This EPS beat is likely to boost investor confidence as it demonstrates Boeing's ability to exceed market expectations and highlights their successful recovery efforts.
CEO statements and future outlook. What insights did Boeing CEO, Kelly Ortberg, provide regarding their future outlook?
Kelly Ortberg emphasized the progress made in 2025 and the foundation set for continued momentum. He highlighted the focus on stable operations, completing development programs, and rebuilding trust with stakeholders. The record backlog of $682 billion, including over 6,100 commercial airplanes, positions Boeing well for future growth.
And what are their plans for the 777X program?
The 777X program is progressing, with the first delivery anticipated in 2027. This aligns with Boeing's strategy to enhance their product offerings and meet future demand.
Key takeaways. In summary, Boeing has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of 2025, with significant revenue growth and a remarkable EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and robust backlog provide a positive outlook for the future. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Boeing's impressive turnaround and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Boeing's performance in the comments below. Until next time.